guys! Welcome to my vlog. So magluluto tayo ngayon ng partridge. It's a wild bird. What kind of bird is that, Lawrence?
That is partridge. It's a wild chicken. And that's
Wild chicken or bird?
wild chicken, and that's dark meat.
That's a chicken, guys. He said it's a small chicken or big chicken.
Small.
It's a red color, guys. I'm gonna show you this one. So I don't know how to cook because this is my first time.
No, you've cooked it before.
No, not last time I cooked is a bird.
It's
It's not a bird. You said it's a chicken.
It is a bird.
You said while ago it's a chicken.
It is both. A bird is a
No,
chicken.
chicken is different. Bird is different.
This can fly.
Then chicken cannot fly. So guys, it's not a chicken. That's a
It's a wild bird.
wild bird. Then Lawrence, you catch that?
We shot it.
So Lawrence shot that bird. So I cooked this one 11 years ago. I cooked this kind of bird, but I don't know how now. So we're gonna try because I forgot, guys. So what is called this one, baby?
Partridge.
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 Okay, whatever. Bukan natin lutuin kung in a Filipino way, but I don't know how, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, guys? So this is the ingredients that we're gonna use. Ang request ng anak ko, lagyan ng carrots, saka green pepper, at saka red peppers. Pwede naman sanang hindi na lang lagyan, di ba? Pero yun kasi ang request niya. Siya kasi ang kakain nito, pagbigyan natin. Kasi siya ang nakakuha ng bird nito eh. Lagyan natin siya ng ginger kasi para mawala yung amoy kasi wild siya, di ba? So I decided to put a ginger. So, dagdagan siya natin ng water para yung meat niya maluto talaga, malutong siya ba. So, tikman natin guys yung lasa kung okay ba. Masarap naman. Parang adobo siya, guys. Chicken adobo yung taste niya. So, tatawagin natin itong bird chicken adobo. So, it's unique, diba? Okay, guys. Ilagay na natin itong carrots. Kasi medyo matagal siya maluto, diba? So, takpan natin.
That's good.
It tastes good. Lawrence.
Yum yum. Yum.
Your partridge?
Yum yum.
Yeah, both guys, they're eating rice. They're asking. How about you, Marshall?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, say bye-bye, Lawrence and Marshall.
Bye.
Bye. I
No.
like my partridge. Please eat it. And rice is good for you.
Don't forget to subscribe to my mom's channel and don't like the video if you actually enjoyed it.
And like the video if you liked it.
Merry Christmas in advance.